This is the regular kit, and in this pack you get 2 litres of Moto spray, 600 ml of Moto grease, and the trigger sprayer. Firstly, it's a good idea if you're doing this in the winter to leave the motor grease in a container with some warm water in it to soften it up and help you apply it. If you're doing this in the summer, like I am, then leaving the motor grease in the sun should suffice, and you can warm it up as many times as you need to. You can see how soft and easy it is to use now. I'm just going to apply the motor grease with a brush to any areas which are vulnerable to high corrosion or seizing up. This includes weld seams, nuts and bolts, sharp edges, threads, etc. Once I've applied the motor grease, I'm ready to move on to the spray. Whilst the Lanoguard spray is derived from oils of the fleece of sheep, is non-harmful to animals or the environment, and has green non-hazardous certifications, I'm still throwing a bit of caution to the wind and donning some gloves, safety glasses and a mask. Using the trigger sprayer, the motor spray can be applied to the whole body, chassis or any other areas you'd like to protect. The spray can safely be used on all metals, rubbers, plastics, electrical components, etc. Just be sure to avoid brake discs and brake pads. As well as being ideal for vehicle underbodies, it can be easily applied to other machinery or vehicles prone to rust, such as my lawnmower's deck. Once the spray is all on, it's best to leave your vehicle or machinery at least 24 hours before use. Lanoguard will take up to a week to fully cure, to a candle-like texture. It never fully cures or dries, and this is a vital property to ensure it is non-evaporative and self-healing, meaning it won't crack or dry out leaving parts unprotected. Lanoguard typically lasts up to a year, so I'll be applying it at least every 12 months.